Hey guys, Pete from Nutley Kia here, showing you a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. This car is very nice. Dark blue exterior, gray interior. It is a limited trim level. Very spacious trunk here. This vehicle has Bluetooth, power seat, leather interior, sunroof, heated seats for the first two, satellite radio. Best part, it only has 39,000 miles. So you're covered with this vehicle for up to 100,000 mile powertrain, 10 years from the original in service. Very clean inside and out. New tires, new brakes. All for $13,000. So if this is something you're interested in, come down and see Pete at Nutley Kia.